We are back in Sunlight Kitchen, and today we are going to bake red velvet cupcake.
And that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fan, that's what they call.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Shade. First, I want to say today's shout out goes to First, I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients I use to do my batter, and then after I'll show you guys how I do the toppings. So here we have 125 grams of butter, and also we have 150 grams of sugar. I have 3 eggs. I'm using my red food coloring to give it the color, and 1.5 tablespoon of cacao butter. Then I have my 188 grams of flour and also 50 milliliters of whole milk. Then I'll be using half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of carbonate of soda, and also half a tablespoon of vinegar. So guys, let's get started with this video. First, let's put our oven to 170 degrees. Don't forget to prep your cupcake tins and put it one side ready for the batter. First, I'm going to start by mixing the butter and the sugar together for around 6 minutes until it's creamy and smooth. So I've beat it for about 6 minutes, and now I'm just gonna fold it in so you guys can see the consistency of how the batter is. It should be creamy, smooth, how you want it. And let's go for the next step, guys. So yes guys, so it's in a creamy consistency now, as you can see. Alright guys, so after beating the butter with the sugar, I'm just gonna add the egg one by it. So that's one. Guys, remember to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Twitter at your girl Shade, somewhere at the top corner, and my link will be in my description box down below. So I've put my eggs, my 3 eggs, and after adding the eggs, now I'm going to add the food coloring, and I will just be using a toothpick to add the food coloring to the level I want it. So now I'm just going to give it a quick mix and mix in the color. And after mixing the color, I'm just going to put it aside so I can start with my dry ingredients. So now guys, I'm going to use half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. So all my dry ingredients are going to go in my flour. So also 1.5 tablespoons of cacao powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm gonna add all my dry ingredients to my batter, and then I'm gonna finalize by putting the milk, the vanilla extract, and the vinegar to finish mix everything together. Please guys, do not mix it too much, because at the final step we have to make sure that you don't mix it too much to make it too watery. So if you mix it just for 1 minute or 2, continue fold it in with a spoon. Now that I'm finished, give it a nice mix with my spoon. This is how it should look, guys. A good, consistent, thick. And now I'm gonna get my cupcake trays and oh, sorry about that. So my cupcake tray, they're ready, and now I'm gonna use a spoon to scoop out the right amount for each cupcake. So let's scoop the first one and see how it is, and then we're just gonna continue with the rest. So I've put my cupcakes in the oven, and they're gonna bake for around 18 to 20 minutes. And meanwhile it's baking, I'm just gonna clean up, put everything away that I've already used, give it a wipe. Remember guys, hygiene is the best that you could ever have. Yes, my cupcakes are ready. Who wants some cupcakes? Yes guys, I'm gonna put it away to cool down, and I'm just gonna put the rest of the cupcakes in the oven, and then I'm gonna be using those ones to crumble them and to put them as decoration on top. Now we're gonna make the cream go on top. So right here I have 200 grams of cream, and also I've got 125 grams of butter, and I also have 175 grams of white chocolate. So my bowl was too small, so I'm adding it to a bigger bowl, and I'm adding the cheese, the cream cheese, the butter, and the white chocolate together, and I'm just going to beat it for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge to cool for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. Now I'm going to crumble the cake that I have baked after. And this is how it should look. So let's just throw those things away. And I'm going to be using a pipe bag to pipe out the cream on top and decorate it one by one. Now I'm going to add the crumble to each cupcake. And here we go. I am giving you this delicious red velvet cupcake made by Sunlight Kitchen. This is all for today. I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to know how to call in for shout out, check my description box down below. There's loads of information there. And also do not forget to like or thumbs up and also subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more videos from Sunlight Treats. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.